Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will delve deeper into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 15, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis, ensuring you don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Elevate your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified Intel as a strong buy candidate with a score of 7.19. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 21.03% since we first listed Intel as a buy candidate 30 days ago. That's an average return of 0.7% per day since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend, indicating potential further growth. In the short term, the stock shows a wide and robust rising trend, with a projected 30.14% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from 9.62% to 39.38%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 50.58% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return between 12.8% and 42.82%. In terms of price, it could reach a range of $52.07 to $65.92 after 12 months. Our latest update on Intel brings exciting news: a stronger technical forecast for Intel's stock price after Friday's trading. On the last trading day, Friday, December 15, 2023, the Intel stock price gained 2.17%, rising from $45.18 to $46.16. It has now experienced gains for 3 consecutive days. We eagerly await to see if this trend continues or if a minor break is in store for the next few days. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $45.67 and a high of $47.27, representing a 3.5% fluctuation. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 5.53%, with 6 out of the last 10 days showing an increase. Notably, the volume of shares traded also increased on the last day, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 12 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, amounting to a total of 82 million shares bought and sold for approximately $3.77 billion. Looking at the broader picture, the highest price of Intel stock over the past 52 weeks was $47.27, while the lowest price was $24.73. At present, the price is 2.35%, or $1.11, below the 52-week high and 33.38%, or $23.13, below the all-time high reached on January 24, 2020, when the price soared to $69.29. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, December 15, 2023, Deutsche Bank upgraded INTC's rating to neutral. On Friday, December 15, 2023, Bank of America Securities also upgraded INTC's rating to neutral. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, KGI Securities upgraded INTC's rating to outperform. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, Telsey Advisory upgraded INTC's rating to buy. On Wednesday, November 15, 2023, Mizuho Securities also upgraded INTC's rating to buy. Analysts have given Intel stock a general rating of buy. They consider the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Intel stock. The stock currently holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. On corrections down, the stock will find support from the lines at $44.19 and $41.43. However, if it breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, October 26, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 41.94%. This suggests that further rise is indicated until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, the volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals that have been issued, which may have an influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. In this video, we'll discuss some interesting signals you may want to pay attention to in your trading strategy. One signal to consider is the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which currently indicates a sell signal. Another signal is the pivots, which generated a buy signal 36 days ago. The Bollinger Bands also provide a buy signal 1 day ago. If you're looking at short-term moving averages, they suggest a buy signal 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 34 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 31 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe a buy signal for the short moving average 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also supports a buy signal 36 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 181 days ago. If you'd like to explore more signals, be sure to visit our website at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. When it comes to support levels, Intel has two key levels just below today's stock price. These levels are based on accumulated volume and can act as a cushion for the stock. The first support level is at $43.35, and if it is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level at $35.69. So, it's important to keep an eye on these support levels as they can influence the stock's movement. Now, let's talk about the risks involved. Whenever a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk of it being broken. If the support level at $43.35 is breached, then the stock may further decline towards the next support level at $35.69 and even $35.54. So, it's crucial to monitor these levels and be aware of the potential risks. Fortunately, Intel is usually traded at a good volume, which means there is ample liquidity and the risk is considered to be low. Additionally, the stock has been experiencing minor daily changes recently, indicating a relatively stable market condition. To better understand the stock's volatility, let's look at its recent performance. Over the last day, Intel had a price range of $1.60, 3.5%, between its highest and lowest points. This shows that the stock had some movement but within a reasonable range. Furthermore, over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 3.56%. This indicates that the stock's price has been fluctuating within a manageable range. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Intel, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative PE ratio, it may suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.430. It's important to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Intel. Currently, there doesn't seem to be any significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock has the potential to move upward rapidly under the right circumstances. If this is the case, you may consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $43.35. If this support level holds, it could be an opportune moment to enter, as there may be a rebound in store. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Intel is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 3, 2023, Zinsner David made an insider buy of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Shell Christoph made an insider buy of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Rivera Sandra L. made an insider buy of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Holthouse Michelle Johnston made an insider buy of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Gall Scott made an insider buy of 1,596 shares of restricted stock units. Our analysis of the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a negative insider power with a ratio of -8.191. In total, insiders have purchased 343,034 shares and sold 407,920 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $44.41, which is a decrease of 3.8%. This particular stock has relatively low daily movements, which results in lower risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found 35 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel shows several positive signals and is currently on a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, December 18th, we expect Intel to open at $46.37, with an increase of $0.206. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a risk of potential financial loss. As a responsible investor, we strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is purely an informational platform and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please comment below and share your perspective. What target do you have in mind for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe for more trading insights. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.